Jesse, what do they do?
Cook eggs and cook a pan.
Aaron, what else do they cook?
Don't they these donuts and pies.
So why else should we become a baker?